Hello students, welcome back to my channel Trivisha Classes. Students, as you know that Diwali is near, so for your house decoration today I am going to teach you how to make a lamp. Okay, so for making a lamp you need scissor, stapler, you need a Fevicol, and I have four circles of glitter sheet for the decoration, and you can take any colored paper, and I have a craft paper for the decorations. You can take any color of your choice, and you can make a lamp. So let's start making it. Okay, so first of all you have to take this sheet and you have hold it in a horizontal way. After holding it horizontal way, you have to fold the sheet, okay, like this. Just have a look, fold the sheet like this, and it should be equally fold. Okay, see, it should be equally fold. Try to have a hard sheet so that when you will cut it, it will be easy for you to cut it. Okay, now from here, after folding it, from here, from your upside, fold the sheet into half like this. Okay, remember whenever you will fold the sheets, remember that you fold it equally like this. See, you can see here. Okay, now we need to cut our sheets. So for cutting you need a scissor. Okay, so as I told you have to cut the sheets like this, and then open your sheets. It will be like this. Okay, then from here what you have to do, you have to fold your sheets. Okay, fold your sheet like this. You can see, do it circle wise. When you will see, so fold the sheet like this and hold it at their end from here. Now you can put a glue here. You need a Fevicol. Always use a Fevicol, don't use the glue, because while the glue spreads a lot and Fevicol it sticks. Don't use much of Fevicol. See, like this, and we have to now paste it. Okay, okay, so when you will paste the sheet, you can see the lamp, it will come in this shape. Okay, see, like this, it will bounce. You can see here. Okay, now after that what you have to do, you have to take the what you can say, the craft sheets. Okay, see, I have the craft sheets for the decoration. Now what I will do for the decoration, I will just, after doing this, you can see, you have to fold the craft paper like this. Okay, remember, always fold it equally. And as I have cut the lamp, same way cut it into half. Okay, you can see my lamp is prepared half. I have cut some sheets of craft paper here. Okay, you have to paste this here at down. Okay, you can see I have cut here. You have to paste like this. Okay, like this you have to paste. So for that you need a Fevicol. Okay, use a Fevicol for pasting. Okay, you can see I have pasted the craft paper down. You can see my lamp, students, how beautiful it is looking. Okay, see here, paste the craft like this. After cutting it, paste it like this, and now we will put the strip here at the up sides. Okay, for our decoration of the lamp, same way as I have put the strips here. You can see you have to put the strips here also, upward direction here, round it, and you have to put the strips. Okay, for that also you need a Fevicol. So let's start it. See students, I have pasted the strips here like this. The same way you have to paste your strips. Okay, after pasting the strip, for holding the lamp I have cut another strip for it. So what you have to do, from inside here like this, okay, you have to, for that you need a stapler to staple it. Okay, students, our lamp is ready for decoration. As I have cut 4 circles, now I will use these 4 circles for decoration. You can paste here. Okay, see, now you can paste here. It's just for decoration. Okay, for making your lamp very a good looking, for a good look of the lamp. It will give the see students, our lamp is ready for Diwali. You can hang it at your home for the decoration of the Diwali. So please do try it, and please do comment how you like the video. Is it helpful to you or not? Please do like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the further notifications like this. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye everyone.